Through and through.
Good afternoon. Three candidates have asked for recounts in their ridings before the deadline to file yesterday. NDP's Denise Peterson Rayfield's wants a recount in Chester St. Margaret's, which she lost to Liberal Hugh McKay by 90 votes. DC candidate Dan McNaughton was defeated by Liberal Bill Horn in Waverly Falls River Beaverbank by 66 votes. Other Conservative Bob Bull wants a recount in Guysborough Eastern Shore tragedy, which was won by
Too fast.
Film and Television Production Incentive Fund. Feature film Polaroid, produced by Fast Film.
Too fast for not being clamped down, that is.
Produced by Sunnydale Productions, is getting